following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Illinois. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Will County in northeast Illinois, central and southern Cook County in northeast Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, until 2:30 a.m. Wednesday at 8:20 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with torrential rainfall across the warned area. These storms are producing 1 to 2 inches of rain in less than 45 minutes. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur, particularly in urbanized and poor drainage areas. The following is a summary of